Hello, our next chapter is pair of linear equation in two variables. Before starting the chapter, let's understand linear equation in two variables. So, a linear equation is of equation with degree 1. So, for example, x plus 4 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in x. There is only one variable x here, and this is a linear equation because degree of x is 1. Max degree is equal to 1. For example, if you are taking two variables x comma y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. This is also a linear equation because the highest degree is 1, and it is a linear equation in two variables because both x and y are there. For a linear equation, since there is only one variable, you can find the solution for linear equation with one equation. Here x is implies x is equal to minus 4. But for a two linear equation in two variables, you have two since you have two independent variables, you need one more equation to solve this to find the solution for this equation. So for example, another equation 4x plus 7y is equal to 11. This is another equation. Using these two equations, you can find the solution for the linear equation. So let us start with introduction. Example, Siri went to a bookshop with her father and bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens. Her father paid 80 rupees for them. So 3 notebooks, 3 into notebook plus 2 into pen is equal to 80 rupees. Her friend Lakshmi liked the notebooks and pens, so she bought 4 notebooks and 3 pens. 4 into notebook plus 3 pens, 3 into pens, and her father paid 110 rupees. So you have two variables here, notebook and pen, and you have two equations. So the required condition is met. To find a solution for these equations, you can first method is you can follow graphical method. Let's see graphical method. So before solving this example, let's see the possible solutions for a pair of linear equations in two variables. Suppose first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 be the first equation where a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0. That means this both are not 0 at a time. I have one more equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, given a2 square plus b2 square not equals to 0. So if you are going this way, the possible cases will be first case intersecting implies one solution. That means these two lines intersect at a point. Here these two lines are intersecting, so there is unique one solution. Second case may be parallel. Two lines may be parallel, so these lines never intersect, so no solution. Third case may be coincidence. That means one line is drawn over another line. To coincidence line. For this kind of condition, we will have infinitely many solutions. Actually both lines are same, so you will have infinitely many solutions. So let's solve this first example. Instead of notebook, let's take notebook as x. So in this 3x plus 2y is equal to 80 is one equation, and 4x plus 3y is equal to 110 is another equation. So let's form a table with x, y is equal to 80 minus 3x by 2. and x comma y. For this also y is equal to 110 minus 4x by 3 x comma y. Let's assume for x equal to 0, y will be 80 minus 0 by 2, which will be 40. Y is equal to 40, so 0 comma 40. For x equal to 10, y will be 80 minus 30 by 2, 50 by 2, which is 25, so 10 comma 25. For x is equal to 20, y will be 80 minus 60 by 2, which is equal to 10, so it will be 20 comma 10. Next, for x equal to 30, y will be equal to x equal to 80 minus 30 into 3 is 90 by 2, which is equal to minus 5, so 30 comma minus 5. Next, let's solve second equation. For x equal to 0, so let's start with minus 10. X equal to minus 10, y will be 110 plus 40, 150 by 3, so it will be minus 150 plus 150 by 3 is equal to 50, so it will be minus 10 comma 50. And for x equal to 20, y will be equal to 110 minus 80 will be 110 minus 80 is 30 by 3 is 10, so it will be 20 comma 10. Third one, x is equal to 50, y is equal to 110 minus 200 minus 90 by 3, it will be minus 30, so 50 comma minus 30. If you let's plot this point on graph. This is a graph 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, minus 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, minus 70, minus 80. So first point is, for first line 3x plus 2y is equal to 80, first point is 0 comma 40, 0 comma 40, this is the point. Next is 10 comma 25, 10 and 25 somewhere here, and 20 comma 10, 20 comma 10, 30 comma minus 5, so here. Now if you join these points, you get a straight line. This is 3x plus 2y is equal to 18, and let's plot the second line. First point is minus 10 comma 50, minus 10 and 50, so somewhere here. Next is 20 comma 10, 20 comma 10 this point, and next is 50 comma minus 30, 50 comma minus 30. If you join these points, you get one more line passing like this. Actually this is not to the accurate measurement, you have to get somewhere here. 50 comma minus 30 will be somewhere here, and these two are intersecting at 20 comma 10. So the solution for this two pair of equations is x equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. This is the solution of the next condition. Next example, we are given x plus 2y is equal to 30 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 60. In this case, draw the graph x, y is equal to 30 minus x by 2, x comma y. Let's solve this. For x equal to 0, y will be 30 by 2, 15, so 0 comma 15. For x equal to 2, y will be 30 minus 2 by 2, 28 by 2, so it will be 14, 2 comma 14. For x equal to 4, y will be 30 minus 4 is 26 by 2, so 13, 4 comma 13. For x equal to 6, y will be 30 minus 6 is 24 by 2, so it will be 12 6 comma 12. Next, for this equation, x y will be equal to 16 minus 2x by 4 by x comma y. So again, for x equals to 1, y will be 60 minus 2. 60 minus 2 is 58 by 4. Sorry, this is 66 is equal to 66. So 66 minus 2 is 64 by 4 is 16. So it will be 1 comma 16. Next one is 2. Sorry, 3. Y is equal to 66 minus 6 is 60 by 4 is 15. So it will be 3 comma 15. Next is x equal to 5. Y will be equal to 66 minus 10 by 4. 56 by 4, 14. So it will be 5 comma 14. Next is 7. Y is equal to 66 minus 14 is 52 by 4. So it is 13. 7 comma 13. Now let's plot these points on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So this point first graph 0 comma 15, so it will be somewhere here. 2 comma 14, somewhere here. 4 comma 13, somewhere here. 4 comma 13, 6 comma 12, 6 comma 12. So if you join this point, you get a line like this. This is x plus 2y is equal to 30. Next line 1 comma 16, somewhere here. 3 comma 15, somewhere here. 5 comma 14, somewhere here. 7 comma 13, somewhere here. If you join this line, you get a line parallel to this line, which is equal to 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. So these two lines are parallel, so no solutions. They never intersect, so you don't have any solution for this. Let's solve one more example. Let's consider third example. 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. X plus 2y is equal to 1300. That's all. Let's find solution for this equation. X, y is equal to 3900 minus 3x by 6. X comma y. For x equal to 100, y will be equal to 3900 minus 300, 3600, so it will be 1200. So 100 comma 1200. Okay, 36. So 36 by 6 is 6 actually, sorry. Next is x equal to 200. For 200, y will be equal to 3900 minus 3 to the, it will be 600 by 600. So y will be equal to 3900 minus 600 is 3300. So 33 by 6 is 33 by 6 will get 55. So it will be 550. Not 600, sorry, by 6. It will be 500. So the point is 200 comma 550. For x equal to 300, y will be equal to 3900 minus 900 by 6. So y will be 3900, 3000 by 6, so it will be 500. So the point is 300 comma 500. Next 400, y will be equal to 3900 minus 1200 by 6. So y will be equal to 2700, not 2700 by 6, which will be equal to 450. So it will be 400 comma 450. Next one, x plus 2x, y will be equal to 1300 minus x by 2, and x comma y. For x equals to 100, y will be 1300 minus x is 1300 minus 100 is 1200 by 2 is 600. So it will be 100 comma 600. Next, for 200, y will be 1300 minus 200 is 1100 by 2, 550. So it will be 200 comma 550. Next, for 300, you get y is equal to 500. So it will be 300 comma 500. For 400, y will be 450. So it will be 400 comma 450. If you plot these points on graph, take 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. You take 700 or 800. So if you plot these points, first point is 100 comma 600. So it will be somewhere here. Next is 200 comma 550. Somewhere here. 300 comma 500. Somewhere here. 400 comma 450. Somewhere here. Somewhere here. If you join these points, you get a line like this. It is equal to 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. And if you plot other point, 100 comma 600, same point, so it will be the same line. This line is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So if you observe, these two lines are coincident, so there will be infinitely many solutions. All points lying on this line are solutions for this equation. Infinitely many solution. So next thing to observe is relation between coefficients and nature of system of equations. So we have to find the relation between coefficients of this equation and taking two lines at a time. So if a1, b1, c1 pair of lines, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So comparison of ratios. Next is algebraic interpretation. Next to graphical representation. This table is given in your textbook, you can go through it. Next to solutions. If you fill this, our first example we solve is 3x plus 2y minus 80 is equal to 0, and 4x plus 3y minus 110 is equal to 0. Here for this equation, a1 by a2 is 3 by 4, b1 by b2 is 2 by 3, and c1 by c2 is minus 80 by minus 110, which is equal to a 4 by 5. Comparison of equations. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Algebraic interpretation is this is consistent equation. Consistent and independent. So graphically it is intersecting. I'll show you the example. Here the first one, they are intersecting at a point, and these are consistent and independent also. So number of solutions is one solution. Next week. So next second one is x plus 2y minus 30 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 66 equal to 0. So here a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is minus 30 by minus 66, it will be 5 by 11. Here if you observe, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equals to c1 by c2. So these are parallel. Graphical interpretation is parallel, and since c1 by c2 is not equal to b1 by b2, this will be inconsistent and you have no solution for this. For this case you have no solution. They are parallel lines never intersecting, so no solution. Third condition is 3x plus 6y minus 3900 is equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 1300 is equal to 0. a1 by a2 will be 3 by 1 and b1 by b2 will be 6 by 2, which is equal to 3, and my c1 by c2 minus 3900 by minus 1300, which is equal to 3. So here comparison is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So these are also consistent, but these two lines represent the same line actually and dependent. One line is dependent on another. Since these two lines are same, one line will be dependent on another and they are consistent. And the graphical interpretation is they are coincident. They have infinitely many solutions. Every point on the line is a solution for this equation, for both equations. Next, let us solve example 1. Check whether the given pair of equations represent intersecting parallel or consistent line. Find the solution if the equations are consistent. So first one is 2x plus y is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 4 is equal to 5 by 4. So here a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, implies these are consistent, independent and intersecting. To find solution, we can follow the graphical method. For equation 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y will be 5 minus 2x by 1, x comma y. So for 0, y will be 5, 0 comma 5. For 1, y will be 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, so it will be 1 comma 3. For 2, y will be 5 minus 4 equals to 1, 2 comma 1. For 3, y will be 5 minus 6 equals to minus 1, 3 comma minus 1. For 4, y is equal to 5 minus 8 equals to minus 3, 4 comma minus 3. Next for second line, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Y will be equal to 4 minus 3x by 2, x comma y. So for x equals to 0, y will be 4 by 2 equal to 0 comma 2. For x equal to 2, y is equal to 4 minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 1, so 2 comma minus 1. For x equal to next 4, y is equal to 4 minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 3, 4 comma minus 3. If you observe, you already got a common point for these two lines, so this will be the solution. If you plot these points on graph, Go 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. So if you plot first one 0 comma 5, it will be here. 1 comma 3 will be here. 2 comma 1 here. 3 comma minus 1 here. 4 comma minus 3 here. If you join this point, you get a straight line like this, which is 2x plus y is equal to minus 5. And second plot 0 comma 2 here. 2 comma minus 1 here. Next 4 comma minus 3 here. So second line will be something like this, intersecting at 4 comma minus 3. So this line is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And the solution is 4 comma minus 3. Second example is similar to first one. You can solve that. Third example is also similar to first one. Let's solve fourth example. Fourth example. In a garden there are some bees and flowers. If one bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left out. Let number of bees be x and number of flowers be y. If one bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left out. So x equals to y plus 1 is one equation. If two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left out. That means x by 2 is equal to y minus 1. X is equal to 2y minus 2, or x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Here for first equation, x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is first equation and second equation. Find the number of bees and number of flowers. So we have to find number of bees and number of flowers. What you can do is, you can plot these two lines on a graph and find the intersecting point if they are consistent and independent. Let's check. For x minus y minus 1 equal to 0, y will be equal to x minus 1, x comma y. So for x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1, 0 comma minus 1. For x equal to 1, y is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, so 1 comma 0. For x equal to y is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1, so 2 comma 1. For x equal to 3, y is 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 3 comma 2. For 4, y will be equals to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, so 4 comma 3. Next for second line, x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y will be equal to x plus 2 by 2, x comma y. So for x equal to 0, y will be 2 by 2 1, so 0 comma 1. For 2, y will be 2 plus 4 by 2 2 comma 2. For 4, y is equal to 4, 6 by 2 is equal to 3, 4 comma 3. For 6, y is 6 plus 2 8 by 2 is equal to 4, it will be 6 comma 4. If you observe, you have a common point here. Let's plot this point on graph, lines on graph. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 8 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. So first one 0 comma minus 1. So here 1 comma 0 here, 2 comma 1 here, 3 comma 2 here, and 4 comma 3. So somewhere here. So draw a line. This line will be passing through this. So this is the first line, x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Second line, first point is 0 comma 1 here, 2 comma 2 here, 4 comma 3 here, 6 comma 4 here. So if you join this point, it will be like this. It is intersecting at 4 comma 3. So 4 comma is the solution. That means number of weeks x is equal to 4 and number of flowers y is equal to 3. Let's check the answer. Yeah, 4 comma 3 is solution. Perimeter of a rectangle plot is 32 meters. If the length is increased by 2 meters, breadth is decreased by 1 meter, area of the plot remains the same. Find the length and breadth. You just form the equations. You yourself can solve the answer. Fifth one. Perimeter of the rectangle plot is 32. 2 into L plus B is equal to 32. Length is increased by 2, L plus 2, and breadth is decreased by 1, B minus 1. Area will be same, LB. Area remains same, equal to LB. So LB minus L plus 2B minus 2 is equal to LB. So you can cancel LB and LB. L minus 2B plus 2 is equal to 0. This is one equation. And 2L, 200 to 16. L plus B is equal to 16 is one equation. For these two equations, find the solution. So what you can do is, you can plot the graph. L plus B minus 16 is equal to 0. First one, so L, B is equal to 16 minus L. Next, L comma B. For L equal to, let's start with 6. L equal to 6, B will be 10. So 6 comma 10. L equals to 8, B will be 8. 8 comma 8. For L equals to 10, B will be 6. 10 comma 6. For B equal, L equals to 12, B will be equal to 4. So 12 comma 4. For L equals to 14, B will be equal to 2. 14 comma 2. For second equation, L minus 2B plus 2 is equal to 0, which is L. B is equal to L plus 2 by 2, L comma B. Let's start with 6i. B will be 6 plus 2, 8 by 2, 4. So 6 comma 4. 8. B will be 8 plus 2, 10, 5. 8 comma 5. For 10, B is equal to 12 by 2, 6. So 10 comma 6. These two are equal. For 12, B is equal to 4, 7. 12 comma 7. For 14, B is equal to 8. 14 comma 8. So you already got the solution 10 comma 6. Let us plot this point on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So let's plot the points. First point is 6 comma 10. 6 and 10. So somewhere here. Next is 8 comma 8. Somewhere here. So 10 comma 6. So somewhere here. 12 comma 4. Here. 14 comma 2. 4 here. Let's join these points. So you get a straight line like this. This is L plus B minus 16 is equal to 0. Next line is L minus 2. First point is 6 comma 4. 6 and 4. 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. 10 comma 6. So here 10 comma 6. 12 comma 7. 12 comma 7. 14 comma 8. So here 14 comma. Let's join these points, we get a straight line like this. This is L minus 2b plus 2 is equal to 0. Here the solution is 10 comma 6. So L length is equal to 10 and width is equal to 6 as a solution for the given problem. Now let's start with exercise. Exercise 4.1. First question. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, state whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. So first AB, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0, so minus 9 is equal to 0. So now a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3, c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. If you observe, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore, these are consistent, independent and intersecting. So these are intersecting at a point. Next to be bit 9x plus 3y plus 2l is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, if you observe a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So these are consistent, dependent and coincident. So here there are infinitely many solutions. These two lines are coincident lines. Next see it. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. So if you observe a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. So these are parallel lines, inconsistent. There are no solutions for these two equations because these are parallel lines. Next, second bit, first one. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. First is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. So now a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 7. So here a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore these are intersecting lines and consistent. They are consistent and intersecting. So there is a unique solution for this given pair of equations. Let's find them using graphical method. First is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So let's solve this equation. First is x, y is equal to 5 minus 3x by 2, x comma y. So for x equal to 0, y will be 5 by 2, 2.5, 0 comma 2.5. For x equal to 1, y will be 5 minus 3 by 2, 1 comma 1. For x equal to 2, y will be 5 minus 6 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 comma minus 1 by 2. X equal to 3, it will be y is equal to 5 minus 9 minus 4 minus 2. So it will be 3 comma minus 2. Let's form table for next equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. X y is equal to 7 minus 2x minus 7 by 3 x comma y. X equal to 0, y will be minus 7 by 3. 0 comma minus 7 by 3. For x equal to 1, y will be 2 minus 7 minus 5 by 3. 1 comma minus 5 by 3. X equal to 2, y will be 6 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So this will be minus x equal to 1, 2 minus 7 is, for x equal to 2, 2 to the 4 minus 2, minus 3 by 3. So it will be 2 comma minus 1. Next for x equal to 3, y will be 6 minus 1 by 3. So 3 comma minus 1 by 3. Let's plot these points on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So first point is 0, 2.5. Somewhere here. Next is 1, 1. Here. 2, minus 1 by 2. Here. 3, minus 2. Here. If you join these points, we get a straight line like this. Which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. For next line, 0, minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3 is something like 2.3. 2.3. Minus 2.3 somewhere here. 1, minus 4 by 3. 1.67. 1, minus 1.67. Somewhere here. 2, minus 1. So here. 3, minus 1 by 2. Somewhere here. If you join this point, you get a line like this. This is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. If you observe, this line is intersecting somewhere here in between 2 and 3. X coordinate lies between 2 and 3. Sorry, before 2. And y coordinate lies between 0 and minus 1. So there is, these two lines are intersecting. There is a solution, common point for this. So second bit. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2y. So if you multiply this entire equation with 3, you get 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. A1 by A2 will be equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2. C1 by C2 is equal to 24 by 12 is equal to 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So these are consistent and coincident. So there will be infinitely many solutions for this. So let's plot this graphically. First equation is 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. X, y is equal to, y will be equal to 24 minus 4x by 6. X comma y. For x equal to 0, y will be 24 by 6, 4. 0 comma 4. For x equal to 1, y will be 24 minus 4 is 20 by 6, 10 by 3. So 1 comma 10 by 3. For x equal to 2, y will be 24 minus 8 is 16 by 6 is 8 by 3, so it will be 2 comma 8 by 3. Next, for x equal to 4, y will be 24 minus 16 is 8, 8 by 6 is 4 by 3, 4 comma 4 by 3. For next line, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, x comma y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3, x comma y. For x equal to 0, y will be 12 by 3, 4, so 0 comma 4. For x equal to 1, y will be 12 minus 2 is 10 by 3, 1 comma 10 by 3. For x equal to 2, y will be 12 minus 4, 8 by 3, 2 comma 8 by 3. For x equal to 4, y will be 12 minus 8, 4 by 3, so 4 comma 4 by 3. If you observe, these all points are common, so there are infinitely many solutions for these two equations. Let's plot these points on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. First point is 0 comma 4 here. 1 comma 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is 3.33, so somewhere here. Next 2 comma 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is 2.67, so somewhere here. 4 comma 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is 1.33, so here. If you join this point, you get a straight line like this. And for second line also these are same. So this is 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0, and this is also 2x plus 3y is minus 12 is equal to 0. So these two lines are coincident and there are infinitely many solutions. Next let us solve third question. Neha went to a sale to purchase some hats and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts. Let skirts be S. Number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. So 2p minus 2. Find the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. Find the number of skirts is 4 less than, so S is equal to 4 less than 4p minus 4. 4 less than, so these are the equations. S is equal to 2p minus 2 and S is equal to 4p minus 4. So 2p minus 2 is equal to 4p minus 4. This on this side, 2p minus 2 is equal to 0, implies p is equal to 1. Substitute p is equal to 1, you get 2 into 1 minus 2. S is equal to 2 minus 2, so S is equal to 0. Number of skirts is equal to 0. Number of pants is equal to 1. Okay, let's solve fourth question. 10 students of class X took part in mathematics quiz. The number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. So number of girls G is equal to 4 more than number of boys, B plus 4. Find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. 10 students of class X. So girls plus boys, G plus B is equal to 10. And G minus B is equal to 4. So what you can do is, let's form table for this equation. G plus B, G comma G plus B is equal to 10. Yes, sorry. B will be 10 minus G. G comma B. So G is equal to 0. B will be 10. So 0 comma 10. So B is equal to 2. B will be 8. 10 minus G. So it will be 2 comma 8. For 4 b will be 6, 4 comma 6. For 6 b will be 4, 6 comma 4. For 8 b will be is equal to 2, 8 comma 2. Now let's find out for next equation. G minus b is equal to 4. G b is equal to g minus 4, g comma b. For g is equal to 0, b will be minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. For 2, b will be 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 2 comma minus 2. For 4, b will be 0, 4 comma 0. For 6, b will be 6 minus 4 is 2, so 6 comma 2. For 8, b will be 8 minus 4 is 4, so 8 comma 4. Let's find out for few more points also. For 7, b will be 10 minus 7, so it will be 7 comma 3. And here also let us find for 7. B is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3, so it is 7 comma 3. Let's plot these points on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Let's plot the points for first line. 0 comma 10. So somewhere here. 2 comma 8. 4 comma 6. 6 comma 4. 6 comma 4 and 8 comma 2. And 7 comma 3. So if you join this point, you get a straight line passing through these points. And for second equation, 0 comma minus 4 here, 2 comma minus 2 here, 4 comma 0 here, 6 comma 2 so here, 7 comma 3 here. So if you join these points, you get a line like this, and 7 comma 3 is here. So number of girls is equal to 7, boys is equal to 3. This is a solution for this equation. Next 50 question. 7 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50. 5 pencils and 7 pens cost 50 rupees. So 5 pencils be x, 5x plus 7 pens be y, 5x plus 7y is equal to 50 rupees. 7 pencils and 5 pens, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46 rupees. 46 rupees. So let's solve this equation. First one is 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. So first is x. Y will be equal to 50 minus 5x by 7. X comma y. For x equal to 1, y will be 50 minus 5 is 45. 45 by 7. So for 1 comma 45 by 7. Next one is 3. Y is equal to 50 minus 15 is 35 by 7. So it will be 5. So 3 comma 5. For 5, y will be equal to 25 by 7. 5 comma 25 by 7. Now for second equation, 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. X, y will be equal to 46 minus 7x by 5 comma x. X comma y. So for x equal to 1, y will be 46 minus 7 is 39 by 5. 39 by 5, 1 comma 39 by 5. Second for 3, y is equal to 46 minus 21 is 35. 46 minus 21 is 25. 25 by 5 is 5, so it is 3 comma 5. and for 5 y is equal to 46 minus 35 is 11 by 5. So it will be 5 comma 11 by 5. Let's plot these points on graph. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for first point is 1 comma 45 by 7. 45 by 7 is 6.4. So it will be 1 comma 6.4 somewhere here. Next is 3 comma 5 somewhere here. Next is 5 comma 25 by 7. 25 by 7 is 3 comma 3.6. So 5 and 3.6 somewhere here. If you join these points, you get a straight line like this. Next, for second line, 1 comma 39 by 5. 39 by 5 is somewhere near to 8, 7.8. So 1 comma 7.8 here. Next is 3 comma 5. Next is 5 comma 11 by 5 is 2.2. So here, so the line will be like this. So the solution for this equation is here, 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5 is the solution. Pencil cost is equal, 1 pencil cost is equal to 3 rupees and 1 pen cost is equal to 5 rupees. Next, 60 question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36. Let L comma B be length and breadth. So 2 into L plus B perimeter by 2 is equal to 36. So the answer you get L plus B is equal to 36. And write another if the length is 4 more than its width. L is equal to B plus 4 plus L minus B is equal to 4. Let's plot these points on graph. L comma B is equal to 36 minus L. L comma B for L equals to 10, B will be 26. 10 comma 26. For 20, B will be 36 minus 20 is 16. So 20 comma 16. For 30, it will be B is equal to 30 minus 36 minus 30 is 6. 30 comma 6. For L comma B is equal to L minus 4. L comma B. For L equals to 10, B will be 6. 10 comma 6. For L equals to 20, B will be 20 minus 4 is 16. So 20 comma 16. For 30, B will be 30 minus 4 is 26. 30 comma 26. If you observe, this is the common point for both equations. So this is the solution. Let's show that in graph. Plot the graph. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's plot. First point is 10 comma 26. 10 comma 26 somewhere here. Next point is 20 comma 16. 20 comma 16 somewhere here. Next is 30 comma 6. 30 comma 6 here. If you join these points, you get a straight line. Next equation is 10 comma 6. 10 comma 6 is here. 20 comma 16. 20 comma 16. 30 comma 26. Here. If you join this point, you get line like this. So this is a solution. 20 comma 16. Therefore length is equal to 20 and breadth is equal to 16. Next question, 7th one. We have a linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. Write another linear equation and two variable x and y such that geometrical representation of the pair also forms intersecting line. It should be a intersecting line. So first condition is it should be a intersecting line. So a1 by a2, for intersecting a1 by a2 should not be equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So what you can do is, let a2b is equal to 3 and b2b is equal to 5. Form a equation c2b minus 6. You can take randomly any number. So you just have to consider that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by a2. You can randomly take any number. So another line will be 3x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2. So these two are equation. This is equation for two pair of equations intersecting condition. Next case is, now write two more linear equation so that forms a pair of parallel lines. For parallel lines, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, not equals to c1 by c2. So now a2 will be equals to 2 and b2 will be equals to 3. Let c2 will be equals to minus 10. So second equation will be 2x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0 will be the equation. Third one, coincident. Coincident means a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 should be equal to c1 by c2. That means a2 will be equals to 2, b2 will be equals to 3 and c2 is equal to not equals to 2 actually. It can be 2k also. 2 into some constant k, 3 into some constant k, and c2 is equal to minus 8k. So if you observe, you can take a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 16. So the equation will be 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0 will be the equation for function. In parallel also you can take it as 2k. You don't have no need to exactly take it 2. You can take it as 2k also. Next is 8th question. Area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units. Length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 2 units. Here, area of the rectangle gets reduced by 80. So LB minus 80. Let's solve this. So LB plus 2L minus 5B minus 10 is equal to LB minus 80. LB gets cancelled. 2L minus 5B plus 70 is equal to 0 is the first equation. For next one, if you increase the length by 10 units, L plus 10 into decrease the breadth by 5 units, B minus 5 is equal to, the area will increase by 50. So LB plus 50. If you expand this, you get LB minus 5L plus 10L minus 50 is equal to LB plus 50. LB gets cancelled. So 5L minus 10L plus 100 is equal to 0. If you further simplify, you get L minus 2B divided with 5, you get 20 plus 20 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now let's solve this equation. 2L minus 5B plus 70 is equal to 0. L B will be equals to 2L plus 70 by 5. L comma B. For L equals to 10, B will be 20 plus 70 is 90. 90 by 5 is 19. So 10 comma 19. sorry 18. For 20, b will be equals to 40 plus 70 is 110. 110 by 5 is 22. So it will be 20 comma 22. For 30, b will be 30 60 60 plus it is 130. 130 by 5 will be 26. So 30 comma 26. Now for 40, b will be equals to 280 plus 80 plus 70 is 150. 150 by 5 is 30. So 40 comma 30. Now for equation L minus 2b plus 20 is equal to 0. L b is equal to L plus 20 by 2. L comma b. So for L equals 10, b will be 10 plus 30 by 2 15. In comma 15. For 20, b will be 20. 20 comma 20. For 30, b will be 30 plus 25. So 30 comma 25. For 40, b will be 30. So 40 comma 30. These two are common points. Now let's plot this graph. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's plot this point. First point is 10 comma 18. Somewhere here. Next is 20 comma 22. Here. 30 comma 36. Here. Next 40 comma 30. Should be 40 comma 30. 40 comma 30. If you join this point, you get a line like this. This is 10 comma 15. So somewhere here 20 comma 20. Somewhere here 30 comma 25. Somewhere here at 40 comma 30. So the other line will be like this. So here the common point is 40 comma 30. Therefore length is equal to 40 and breadth is equal to 30. Next, ninth question. In a class of 3 students sit on each bench, one student will be left out. So y will be equal to 3 students on each bench plus 1. If 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left out. So y is equal to 4 times of x minus 1. Let's solve it. First will be 4x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this will be 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So for first equation, 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X, y is equal to 3x plus 1, comma x comma y. For x equal to 1, y will be 3 plus 1, 4, 1 comma 4. For x equal to 3, y will be 3 plus 9 plus 1, 10. So 3 comma 10. For x equal to 5, y will be 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So 5 comma 16. For x equal to 7, y will be 7 3 is 21, 22. 7 comma 22. For next equation, second equation is 4x minus y minus 1 is equal to 4x minus y minus 1 is equal to x. Y is equal to 4x minus 1, x comma y. X equal to 1, y will be 3, 1 comma 3. For x equal to 3, y will be 12 minus 1, 3 comma 11. For x equal to 5, y will be 5 4s are 5 4s are 20 minus 1, 19. 5 comma negative. Sorry, we have done a mistake. It is 4x minus 4. So 1 for 1 it will be 0. For 3 it will be 4 3 are 12 minus 4 is 8. For 5 4 20 minus 4 is 16. So it will be 16. Next, for 7 y will be 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 4 is 24. 7 comma 24. Let's plot this points on graph. 0 1 2 3 4 5 5 10 15 20 25. Now for 1 comma 4 will be somewhere here. Next 3 comma 10. 3 comma 10 will be here. 5 comma 16. 5 comma 16 will be somewhere here. Next is 7 comma 22. Here. If you join these points, you get a straight line like this. Next is 1 comma 0. 3 comma 8. 5 comma 16 here. 7 comma 24. If you join these points, you get a straight line like this. So the intersecting point is 5 comma 16. Therefore, number of benches is equal to 5 and number of students is equal to 16. That's it. We are done with exercise 1.